Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a landing page on Gohighlevel. Gohighlevel is one of the most highly rated all-in-one marketing platforms. And to get started, all you'll need to do is go onto gohighlevel.com, and from there you can sign up using their 14-day free trial period. So you can tap on this icon right here to get started. Once you are signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And all you'll need to do is go over to the top left hand corner, right where you see click here to switch. You're going to tap on that. Then you're going to tap on your profile name. After you have tapped on your profile name, you will be redirected to a new dashboard. Once on this dashboard, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option, and you are going to scroll down and you are going to select sites. After selecting sites, I want you to tap right where you see websites from the top menu option. After tapping on websites, you are going to tap on create new website. From here, you can add in your website name. So let's say, for example, I would like to call this website test. Then I would recommend that you start building your website from one of their templates. So we are going to tap on from templates, as they provide you with over 1000 templates. Then you're going to tap on continue. Once you have tapped on continue, you can choose a category. So let's say, for example, I would like to create a website in the automotive niche. I could tap on automotive. Then after I've tapped on automotive, I can scroll down and you can see the different templates that you can choose from. So I will be selecting this one for car repair shop. So I'll simply tap on it. After you have tapped on it, you're going to see a bigger display of the template that you have chosen. And then you're going to tap on continue in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on continue, you are going to give it a few seconds while the template is being added. Once the template has been added, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll now be able to edit the template to your liking. So you can see how it looks at the moment. And basically everything from here is simply drag and drop. So for example, if you would like to change the image, you can do that. All you need to do right at the image, so let's say I would like to change this image, the background image, I can do that. I can simply select the background image. If I would like to change the image, all I have to do is select the image section. Then from the left hand menu option, I'm going to scroll down. Once you have scrolled down, you will see image, and from there you could tap right beside the photo icon. And then from there you could choose to upload an image by tapping on upload file. If you would like to create an image using AI, you can also do that by tapping on create image using AI from the top left hand corner. But we're going to tap on back, and everything otherwise from that is simply drag and drop. All you have to do is simply tap on the section that you would like to edit. Then you can see the different editing option on the left hand corner right here. So if you like to add something more to the menu, you can. If you would like to remove something from the menu, you can also do that. Let's say I would like to remove the about section. All I would need to do is simply select it. Then I'm going to tap on delete, then tap on OK, and you can see that it has now been removed. If you would like to increase or decrease the font size, you can also do that, as you can see right there. Now, let's say we were to select a particular page. So I'm going to scroll down. You can see how it looks right there. And if you wanted to edit anything, for example, the text section, you could tap right there. And from there, you could type out your text. Once everything is to your liking, you can tap on preview in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on preview, you're going to see this drop down menu, which will help you with your SEO. But let's preview it and see how it looks. So at the moment, this is how our website looks right here. So it does look very professional. And again, it is quite easy to edit. So once you are finished editing, you can simply fill in the keywords right here. After you have filled in the keywords, you can simply tap on update metadata. But at the moment, I'm going to leave it as is. So all I would need to do is tap on cancel and keep. Then I'm going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. And once it has been saved, you will be provided with a URL that you can use. So this is your website right here.